Keeping legally compliant is part of any business across the board. If somebody sold boots at Walmart with the knowledge that that person was going to use those boots to rob a bank, the person who sold them that boots, knowingly that they were going to do that, could be in a little bit of trouble. So the key thing is our intent, your intent, when we engage the customer. For example, we've had clients who have been convicted of tax evasion, and they've used our services. I've actually personally flown to Anchorage, Alaska as a witness for the government in a case like this. Now, naturally, we had no idea this person was going to use our services for that, or else we would have refused the business. So we didn't get in trouble because of what they did. We would only get in trouble if we knowingly did it ourselves. So it's our knowledge and intent, and it has to be knowledge to the extreme. For example, I have an old neighbor. I've told you the story before. They had this escort service, and they required the gals to see I think 7 to 8 clients per day, and I guess their thinking was that if they ever got caught for this prostitution ring they were leading online, that they would just plead ignorance, saying, "Well, we just thought they were being escorts and accompanying them to dinner. We didn't know." Well, it's quite clear that they, any reasonable human being would have known under the circumstances. So it's not what the other person does; it's just what we know when we're doing it. So the key thing is we can safely do what we do and engage clients and help them. But if we know that they're going to be doing something that isn't legal, we don't just play dumb, and we take a very strong stance. Sorry, it's not something we can help you with, sir or ma'am. So key thing is no need to act with fear; just need to act with knowledge and do the right thing. And that's a nice thing. I really appreciate everyone here that I can see there's a consistent feeling that everybody wants to do the right thing, wants to be legally compliant, and so we want to make sure we're taking care of the customers well, and we're staying above the law. We obey the law first, we make a profit second.